It's good to have you here. Today is day 7. A full week has passed since we first began. And before we begin, take a small moment to acknowledge that. Over the past 7 days, perhaps with curiosity, perhaps with uncertainty, or simply because you needed a few quiet minutes for yourself. Whatever brought you here, you kept coming back. And for a busy mind, pausing for even a few minutes each day isn't always easy. Now, find a familiar, comfortable position to sit in. Let your shoulders soften. Allow your body to settle a little more fully into your seat. And whenever you feel ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Now, take a little time to reconnect with your body. After a week of practice, perhaps you're noticing things you might not have noticed before. Or perhaps today simply feels like another day. Either way, begin by noticing the weight of your body. Notice the weight of your hips, your legs, and the body being supported beneath you. Feel your feet resting against the floor. Then, gently bring your attention up through your back. There's no need to sit perfectly. Just notice that your body is here. Take a slow breath in, feeling the chest expand slightly. And as you breathe out, allow the body to soften a little more. Now, return to the natural rhythm of your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Over the past few days, you've practiced noticing the breath, listening to the body, recognizing thoughts, and sitting with emotions. Some days, sitting still may have felt easier, and other days, the mind may have wandered constantly. The body may have felt restless, or emotions may have felt more uncomfortable than expected. And all of that is a completely natural part of practice. Notice what is here right now. Perhaps there's calm. Perhaps there's restlessness. Perhaps there's nothing in particular. Whatever you notice, see if you can simply let it be there. And if the mind wanders again right now, gently acknowledge, thinking. Then slowly return to the breath or to the feeling of the body sitting here. We'll stay here for a few more moments. breathing in and breathing out. As this first week comes to an end, perhaps the most valuable thing you've discovered isn't how to stay present all the time. It's knowing that whenever you drift away, you can return. Whenever life becomes busy, you can return. Whenever emotions feel overwhelming, you can return. Whenever you lose your balance, you can return. Not perfectly, not immediately, but gently. Whenever you're ready, begin to move your fingers and your toes, slowly allowing awareness to return to the space around you. And when it feels comfortable, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this first week of practice. And remember, no matter how many times you drift away, you can always begin again. This first week was never about reaching a destination. It's simply the beginning of learning how to meet each moment with a little more awareness. And that's a practice we'll continue exploring together. One breath at a time.